Ngiqopha umlando, ngiqoqa ulwazi, ngiqaqa umqondo, ngifuna uqonda ubani owayenganqoba. Who would have conquered? Like Jesus we were nailed, yet we rose again. Like fighters we conquered. Like eagles we now fly so high. Like purified diamonds we now shine so bright. Dreams and goals are no longer a limit. Oppression is no longer the blocker. Skin is no longer the matter. Going back is not an option. Being black or white makes you no difference. Because freedom is now a choice. Because freedom is now a choice. The saying exercise makes you flexible. No wonder my flow is so flexible. Because I am exercising my freedom. It is now that freedom is a choice. Because we got it by force. Yet South Africa is no longer a mess. In this case I'm beyond blessed. To be a South African, I'm so impressed. I am no longer oppressed. I am no longer oppressed. Because it's now a choice. Being pressed down does no longer phase. We were neglected, but now we are all selected. We were rejected, but now we are all accepted. Oppression once injected, but